Welcome to another JB from Savannah rental property move out inspection video. Just on an eviction on this one. Properties in Savannah, Georgia, the east side of Savannah, Georgia. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It looks small from the outside, but inside is big. So 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Check it out. There's trash everywhere. They took out most of the furniture during the eviction. Just checking everything on. As you can see, the damages. Just take a look for yourself. Trash. They're still cleaning up. They took out bags of trash during the eviction process. This is the kitchen, la cocina. You can see. Let's check it out. See what you think. Let me know what you think. The kitchen is left trashy. A lot of stuff. The carpet is ruined. That's brand new carpet that was installed. That carpet is walls are a mess. And oh my God, I'm not. Wow, that's a shock. How did that happen? But yeah, this is the master bedroom right here. Trash everywhere. The carpet is ruined totally. There's the ceiling is dirty. That means the filter's not been changed. There's trash everywhere, as you can see. The closet doors are off. The hinges also. Crazy work. Know how that happened, but this is a mess. This is the bathroom, the master bathroom, and laundry room right here. And this is the master bathroom here, and it looks, yeah, looks dirty. Yeah. Yeah, and it looks like it never was cleaned. Oh my God, how do people live like this, bro? That's crazy. Yeah, man, all this stuff was brand new given to these people, like brand new. So this is a master bedroom again. That's the closet, hinge, the door, big old hole in the door. Back to the kitchen. Again, this property was, every property that we do is painted and renovated before any tenant gets it, all right? Everything. Brand new floors that was installed right here in the hallway. All right, this is the hallway right here. Notice the filter? It hasn't been changed. The vent is dirty as hell. This is the hallway bathroom. And all this stuff was new. All right, so I'm just hoping that we can salvage some of the stuff. This is the hallway bath. As you can see, the tub is dirty. Oh my God, look at that tub. Oh my God, the tub is black. It's supposed to be white. This is the closet right here in the hallway. Trash everywhere. This is the carpet is ruined again. Like I say, it's a brand new carpet we installed. Big old hole in the wall that wasn't there before. So I'm not sure exactly what they were doing here. The place is a mess. Let's check it out. It's a mess, and it's crazy. This is what a lot of landlords go through. Property managers go through, and the landlords didn't do this. And I can tell you, this property was given to the tenants, and they were supposed to take care of the property, pay their rent. And as you can see, all the carpet in the rooms and all these holes are going to cost a lot of money. And this will be reflected on the tenant's credit, and also the doors are off the hinges. More holes in the wall. So all the doors are off the hinges. I'm not sure why. Why the doors are off the hinges, I'm not sure. But I can see more holes in the walls, all the damages to the walls. The house need a big old holes in the wall again. Like they were fighting inside the house. I'm not sure. I'm just saying. It just looks crazy with all these big holes in the wall. They're huge. And all the carpet's dirty. They have dog feces on the carpet and everything. That's stuck, embedded into the carpet. So all the carpet gotta be changed. Y'all keep watching my videos. If you're getting to the rental property business, be aware this can happen to you. Not every situation is bad, but keep checking out our videos. Thank you so much. Peace.